The Move tab on the Adjustments window works the same as Rotate. Figure out how fine you'd like to adjust, such as by a tenth or a hundredth of your unit of measurement. Then select which direction on which axis and click until the model aligns more accurately with the environment. Scale is also found on the Model Tools window and is especially useful for viewing hologram models all at once. There are preset buttons and a slider that can help you shrink down a model to whatever size you desire. The model can then be further adjusted with the Move or Rotate tools to fit the area how you'd like.